We have three pillars of learning for our leadership development program: academic, experiential, and reflective. Academic encompasses all their courses that they take, both required courses as well as elective courses, and it's a robust set of courses to choose from.
All the concepts that we've learned in the classroom, it was a great safe zone for me to apply those concepts when I interacted with my peers or when I interacted with a group that I was able to coach.
Experiential are the opportunities that we take them out of the classroom and actually apply their leadership skills in a variety of ways and make them lead those teams and also learn how to be a more effective member of the team. And the main ones are the Leadership Coaching Fellows Program and the Leaders Reaction course at Fort Benning.
Slide it, all right.
The leadership program really gave me a new lens through which I look at everything in life. It's the way that I see problems that arise at work or conversations I'm having at home, and it really empowered me to look at those with more confidence.
You can't learn from the experiences you have unless you reflect upon them. So the reflection part is the key to sort of completing the circle of learning.
The skills that I've actually picked up during my time at Goizueta are ones that had not been top of mind. Things like managing risk or getting ahead of a situation or thinking more vision implementation, as opposed to more of the tactical elements that you kind of think about when you're thinking leadership.
You are pushed to think about what kind of leader you are today and what kind of leader you want to be tomorrow. And the great thing with the program is that it really helps bridge that gap.
When they lead here, they're going to be positioned to where they are ready to step into a role as a leader.